What's up guys, and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 19. I feel like I've missed a few days. Today's the 18th of December. I know I missed like 2 days where I didn't vlog, but for some reason, yeah, I think my last vlog was the 16th. So for some reason I'm 3 days behind. I don't know why. Today is the 18th of December, or Vlogmas Day 19. I'm gonna go and get a coffee, I think in Insomnia now. We were gonna buy a car seat for Noah, but I think we're gonna leave it till tomorrow because he's nearly outgrown the one that sits in the buggy. It was for up to 6 months, but his legs are ridiculously long, so they're kind of like tipping out over the edge. We need to get a new car seat for the new year, so I think we were going to go down to the Long Mile Road. Right now he is pulling all my makeup out of my makeup bag. Great fun altogether. We're going out for dinner tonight. It's an Indian. I've never been to it before, but it's over in Roselawn, so we're going to that tonight. Can't wait to go out for dinner. We haven't been out for dinner in quite a while, and I'm just looking forward to just a night together.
A few hours.
A few hours together. Just us. Paddy's mum and dad are minding Noah. He's turned off the television as well. I was watching Malcolm in the Middle and he was like, no bueno. You like the mirror? Do you want to look at yourself? Oh, look how pretty you are. You're so beautiful. Sitting up really well all by himself. So proud. And he pulled himself up the other day. I'm going to finish getting ready and I'll talk to you in a bit. So we're walking to the shop. And then we're going to call by Paddy's nan, say hello. It is a really nice day actually today. It's really crisp and fresh. It's Tony Healy's, isn't that what it's called?
Tony Keely's.
Tony Keely's, and that's in the Long Mile Road that we have to go to for Noah's car seat. The bigger car seat. I can't believe our little boy is big now. It's like getting ready to go off to college. I also want to say thank you so much for all the like lovely comments and stuff that you guys wrote on my last vlog, which was day 15. Thanks so much for all the comments, like you really helped, and I totally agree with everything you guys were saying, just in regards to like not giving a shit anymore, and I'm just going to live my life how I want to.
Got a little bit too.
Actually, oh yeah, I have a few little bits. Like I have to send off invoices for work,
and we have to do all our Christmas cards.
then we have to do all our Christmas cards as well. Yeah,
that's what a lazy
that'll be fun. What a lazy day that we are actually having. Though in fairness, we had a lie-in this morning, which was just lovely, just the three of us. We haven't had a lie. I don't think we've ever had a lie-in since we've had Noah, had we? Maybe like one or two. We haven't had many, but Noah just slept on this morning till midday. It was the nicest sleep on ever the three of us had. Do you know, every time I walk around here, because I go on my walk and I listen to true crime podcasts, it just always reminds me of murders. So we got our tea and coffee. Does anybody else find it really just bizarre that somebody would just order a tea in a coffee shop? Like, you can make tea at home, it's so boring.
I don't drink coffee.
I know you don't drink coffee, but like, what about like a fun tea, like a berry tea or a green tea or a matcha tea or something? Got a gingerbread latte. I got one of these yesterday and it was really nice. And I don't usually order gingerbread lattes because I just don't. It's not my drink of choice. But it was really nice. And the man gave me a gingerbread cookie, but I didn't get one of them today. And the gingerbread cookie kind of made it. Tastes like a ginger nut biscuit, which when I was first pregnant, I used to eat quite a lot of them because they're really good for like nausea. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to enjoy my gingerbread latte. The noise out here, I'm sorry, it's very noisy. We just went visiting Paddy's nan, and it's going on 3:45. Noah's gone for a sleep, so I think while he's sleeping I'm gonna start getting ready for dinner. Like, I know dinner's not for like hours, but like I may as well start like putting my face on. Hair is done. It looks kind of crazy. I've just pinned all the curls, and now I'm just gonna do my makeup and then brush out all these curls. So my makeup is done. I'm gonna put on some lashes, I think, and I need to figure out what I'm gonna wear. It's gone so cold outside, and I was gonna wear like a little shimmery sparkly kind of top and a pair of black leather pants, but now that it's so cold out, I don't know what I'm gonna wear. I think I'm more interested in being warm than being stylish. I just used my Man-Eater eyeshadow palette just to do my eyes. I only use like 3 shades. The shade Purr in the middle, Saucy on the outside, and then I used Midnight to do a wing. And then on my lips I'm wearing New Truffle from NYX and Yash lipstick from MAC. and I've no blusher on. I knew I was missing something. Noah is still asleep. He's been asleep for a while now. I'm wearing the neutral toffee shade from the True Skin, the Catrice foundation. My bronzer is the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I'm going to use NARS's Madly. It was just the first one that I grabbed. Oh, also I watched And Just Like That, the 3rd episode last night, and I really liked it. I think it's getting really good. I love the fact that they're introducing like old characters. Obviously I've seen like Sex and the City I don't know how many times. Like I used to watch it once a year from when I was about 16, so I've seen it a lot. It's just great to see like the reintroduction of like old characters, and I'm really liking it. Miss Samantha in it, but not as much as I thought I would. I wish she was in it. If I had my choice, I'd prefer her to be in it, but I do think it's really good. What are you guys thinking of it if you've watched it? Are you enjoying it? I know my sister wasn't overly impressed with it. Lashes on. They look like 2 different lashes, but they're definitely not. This one looks fuller or something. I don't know. Is that just me? Am I going crazy? I'm going to take my hair out and brush it through. Parted my hair in a middle parting, which I very rarely do because I have a cow's lick, so it doesn't always sit right. Like one side kind of goes up and the other side does not. Like it's just, it doesn't cooperate, my hair. But I said I would just try it a middle split, but I think I'm going to have to go back to the other side because it's just, I don't know, it's just not sitting right. This sparkly top, I was so excited to wear it for dinner. I was going to wear it with a pair of leather pants. All dress, I decided to wear a long dress and a long coat. This is my long dress, like it's really long. It's the one from Zara. Wearing the sock boots with the long coat. You look great.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Right, I'm gonna go.
Okay, we'll go check on Noah. So yeah, that's what I'm wearing. I know like it's not like the most dinner appropriate outfit, but it's just so cold. I just want something that's warm, to be fair. Okay, so dressed, ready, hair. Don't think those curls are gonna hold. And the middle split is gone because it was just, no, I wasn't loving it, not feeling it. Yeah, I don't know if those curls are gonna hold. They kind of look a bit stringy. There's still purple shampoo in my hair even though I washed it last night. Anyway, I'm going to head to the restaurant now. So just in the car en route to the restaurant, my hair is all stuck in my seatbelt. That's just great. Very excited for date night. It's like the nicest thing ever. We are going to Indian. I don't know if I said that earlier on, and I've never been to this restaurant. We'd never even gotten takeaway from this restaurant because the one that we usually get takeaway from is in Cool Mine, isn't it? Yeah, Cool Mine. In the industrial estate. I can't remember the name of it, but it is the nicest Indians.
Well, all the other Indians were just kind of like takeaway Indians.
You know, it's all about the food. I don't care what the restaurant looks like if the food's good. I'm sitting in the car and I'm freezing, so I'm kind of glad I went for like that longer dress. I'm so sad over the sparkly top, but it'll have another day probably next year, because if I did or did not mention, I don't know, maybe I did mention, no, I don't think I did mention that today, but Ireland has gone into further restrictions in regards to the hospitality sector. So it was 11 or half 11 that everything was closing at until I think the 9th of January. Now it's gone to 8 p.m. everything closes in hospitality. That's like restaurants, nightclubs. No, nightclubs are closed fully. Restaurants, bars, cinemas, like theatres, things like all hospitality, except for weddings, is all to be finished and wrapped up by 8 o'clock. Fact from Sunday or Monday. Oh, that is a beautiful house. It's really nice. Okay, so this is the restaurant, Vagya, and it is actually Nepalese and Indian, so I did not know that. So I presume we're going up there. So let's go in. Oh yes, some papadums, mango chutney, my favorite. Hey guys, I'm home a while, PJs are on. I just started editing the vlog and I am so behind, I didn't even get it finished. I'm gonna just leave it for tonight and edit again tomorrow. I had a gorgeous dinner. Really recommend that Indian restaurant. Oh my god, the food was amazing. I am stuffed right now. Like I actually feel like my belly is about to like explode. We're gonna watch Die Hard Never seen Die Hard. I know, don't come for me. I just was never really that interested in the movie, so we're gonna watch that tonight. We're gonna try and have an earlier night tonight. I am gonna go down and chill with my boys, and I will talk to you guys later. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye.